how to draw a dick tutorial. You just need to take this off. In this video, you're going to learn how to draw paw pads, pet paws, those cute little cat paws that you see there in your house, all those dog paws that you have in your dog there in your house, or in the internet, or any elsewhere that you see and go like, that's so cute. Or you use those paw pads for some interesting activity that you do alone or with a very close friend of yours. So let's go and learn how to draw and paint paw pads. Woo! Leave a like and subscribe because this story is going to be amazing, champ! Woo! First things first, we always get reference, and I love it so much, this reference, because this reference show big fur right here, show first place, the four fingers, nails, and this base right here. So here in the tutorial, first we analyze each part of the body of the paw. We need to understand paw, nail, big paw, fur, small fur, small fur. Two big fingers, small fingers. These small observations show us how to understand even better what we're gonna draw. First things first, we're gonna draw this format right here. You can start with a circle, but I'm gonna start with this. The letter C, and then gets it gets non-thick, and then a little in the side. The side can get a bigger one, and then keep getting thin, and this is good. Close it and erase all the rest. So here we're gonna do like a rainbow. Yeah. We're gonna do the letter D right here, okay? And also here, you're gonna do a small circle. We're gonna just do a separation here in the middle. And now you do again in the other middle. And now you do again in the other middle. Small C right here. And then gigantic C right here. And then a smaller C right here.
Life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring.
When you're going to draw the puppets, you're not going to do it extremely on the side of each one, like they are all like this, okay? Like, no, they need to breathe, okay? The fingers need to breathe. That's why there's fur around it, okay? They are going to breathe.
Somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
You can see I'm not doing hard shapes on the edges. I'm doing soft. And we can see right here that this side is not starting at the same as this one. So we just gotta fix this. Remember, these two, same size. These two, same size. Now, we're gonna be adding some claws. The claw is again the letter C, but more pointy. But it can be the letter V, okay? You can do just a little bit bending, okay? Just a little bit. Don't bend too much your V. Do your V not bending too much, okay? But in this two, you do bigger. In this two, you do the V smaller.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right.
There's something that I do a lot in all of my process of drawing, and that I recommend also you get using on doing that. What I mean about this is in the mid of the process, you just take your time to observe what you could be improving and what is okay, what is very good and what should be improving. So right now, me just analyzing my artwork here, I see, oh, these two fingers, they could be more longer. They could be longer. I'm going to do them longer. Let me do it right now using lasso tool. I pressed L on my keyboard. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Now we are going to fur. all this area right here got big fur. And I understand why. Imagine you having this paw needing to walk. Imagine if a small stone got here. I would not like a small stone to get here, so the bigger amount of fur here, the best. Or the bigger paw pads. If it's not the fur, it's the paw pads. Bigger paw pads to not let anything get in. Or bigger fur or bigger paw pads.
To unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel?
Here doing the internal line. What is this internal line? It's to show that it's not extremely the only one surface, but it got its bending point, okay? It got a different surface. It gives volume to our paw. If you're doing everything in one layer, I'm not, but this is only for the people that are. Click here on filter, liquify. Let's change stuff. Like you can get thicker. This part right here, when you click this one, bloat too. Like you wanted your paw to be like thick, you know, thick big boy, or you're drawing muscles. This is important, guys. I selected two, big brush. Look at this. It makes everything bloat. It makes everything get bigger, huge. This makes things easier if you want to make things more inflated. It makes things so much easier if you want to do things inflated. I use this tool a lot.
I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test, expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second, this life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing, new focus, no guessing, just
so I'm going to search for more references, and I'm showing right now the process that I do when I'm drawing like full rendered complete scenes, by the way, if you guys are curious about it. This is a process. I do one fix, and then I fix, and then keep on getting more references to be sure that this is right. A huge triangle. We can see that depending on the paw, it's going to change a lot. Like a lot. How the paw is. This one here is more roundish. Remember, adapt it to the way that you want to draw.
Instead of searching inside for what they gave him, a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
And by having my base color layer, I'm going to select my bluish, my bright bluish areas. Hide the selection by pressing Ctrl 8. When you're going to do the pads, do with a big and soft brush. Because if you don't do that, it's going to look all sketchy. And also lasso tool is going to determine your barriers. Or magical wand, that's what I'm using. I did a big shadow all around, shadow all around the pads. Soft big shadows. And then I add some highlights here. And after adding some highlights, I'm adding some reflection in the corners, okay? how soft they are looking. When you're here on this step and they look more realistic, like very realistic, you did a great job. If they are not, the biggest mistake that you could have done is not doing enough gradient or doing the highlights in the wrong place or wrong strength, okay?
Cap, I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
It's Smudge 2 time. I click it here on my Smudge 2. I change the settings. I see if the settings are how I want it to be. I need to go back to my main layer. It's you, it's you. Yup, it's here. The toe that make all the fur that you see my artwork is here.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down.
Remember, no matter for right now, you have gotten to the step and you think, oh my paw looks horrible, I don't like it. I don't think I'm made for being an artist. I don't think I'm able to do good drawing. I want to talk with you right now that you're only beginning. You are not going to make it good as first. You're not going to make it good as second. But you can make good with practice for a long time, for such a long time. This is not going to be an easy journey, but you are able to make it.
I can go change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak.
effects. Right now we are going into some soft light.
Fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want 'em, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything.
Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, because I surely enjoyed doing this tutorial for you. Remember, in this channel we got loads of other cool tutorials. Furry tutorials, animal tutorials, human tutorials, anime tutorials. Yes, we got all of it. So join the community and become a champ right now just by clicking on subscribing. Let's go! And remember, you're an awesome champ. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye!